All right. So Cody has been learning the Rubik's Cube, I think, over how many weeks?
Probably 6.
6 weeks? Really?
Probably 7.
I feel like it's only been like 3-4 weeks you've been working on this. So don't mind the hairdo. Don't mind the way, you know, things are a little unkept around here. So he's been working on Rubik's Cube, right? And he knows how to do it. So I'm gonna scramble it. Here, you give this to me. Only point for me. I'm gonna scramble this thing. And this is real. This is not like. At first he used the app to like do it, and I'm like, what are you doing? It's like you're a genius. It's like he was using the app, but now he doesn't have to use the app. He actually learned how to do it online. And it's like some certain strategy that he does, and he actually mapped it out on a paper that he sometimes uses as a guide. But even the map, if I looked at the map, I have no clue. I have no clue how to use it. It's like a different language. Anyways, all right, this is good. Yeah, this is about good because this is scrambled. I would never be able to put this together. This is just me. Look at this. Let's try to do it. It's tough. It's tough even to scramble it. Get them all away from each other. All right, I think that's good. All right, that. This is Rubik's Cube scrambled up. Maybe more. Scrambled up. All right, let's see Cody.
Cody.
All right, we're gonna put the time on to see you just timed yourself today. How long did it take you?
3 minutes and 44 seconds.
3 minutes, 44 seconds, all right. I don't know if this video. All right, go. All right, I'll just turn that. I'm going to show it. He sometimes needs this. This is his map. I mean, how do you make sense of that? How do you make sense of that? At the end, he needs that. So that's what he's looking at. Which I still don't understand what that means. What the heck does that mean? What the heck does that mean? What the? What in the world? How long?
Like,
It was 2 minutes something. What I have it on here.
like 2 minutes.
All right. Amazing.
Wait,